Hello everyone, it's Savannah and today I am back with a brand new video, and today's video is going to be all about my brand new Ipsy bag. This month's Ipsy bag is the March Ipsy bag and I am super duper excited to be opening it. And I have it right here with me in the cute little pink packaging that it always comes in. So this is what the bag looks like. It is just this really cute bag, black and white, and I'm pretty sure that this month they said that they want people to like color it in and stuff like that, so I think that's really cute. A really good way to get everybody to like share their pictures and stuff. So I'm opening it up and I'm going to take out the card. So it says, create Ipsy March 2018. Create your space, mash up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shade, rethink your wardrobe, pairing prints and combos you never usually try. Turn your Instagram pics into a real life gallery. And oh, my color markers! That's so cute. So you can color in the bag, and then they recommend that you color in the bag and then take a picture of it and post it on Instagram. So reaching into the bag, the first thing that I take out is this Jasmine Waterful Foaming Cleanser. A daily foam cleanser that removes makeup and impurities without over drying. And I think it's like an Asian brand because it has like Asian writing on the back, and I love Asian beauty products. So it just looks like this. Oh, it smells good. It smells like stuff from the Face Shop, which I love cleansers. I love anything like this. I've never heard of this brand before. It's like BRTC. So I'll be trying it out. Hikari Cream Pigments. I love the Hikari branded stuff because they always have like really cute eyeshadows that they include in my Ipsy, and oh my gosh, that is a beautiful color. So it's just this really, really beautiful golden color. It's called Shine by Hikari Cosmetics. I love the pigmentation. The only thing that I dislike about it, I think, is that the packaging is like kind of weird. I don't really like that it comes in like a little black thing. I feel like these are not that easy to open. So I feel like if they came in different packaging, it would be a lot better. But I still really do love the brand Hikari. This item that's in here is City Color Glow Duo Cream Powder. So it has a cream highlight and a powder highlight. And yeah, they're really cute. We have one cream and one powder. And they look like this. Sorry, I don't want that to look like a typical beauty guru. I love highlights. It's probably like one of my favorite products besides eyeliners. So I am super excited to try this out, and I will put a little swatch. The next item in my bag is this cute little Tarte eyeliner. It's the Sex Kitten eyeliner, and it is one of these little pencil ones. Normally I don't use these too much. I think I've said this in all my other previous Ipsy unboxings, unbaggings, that I'm really partial to pen, like felt tip liner. That's like the only liner that I ever really use. I'm definitely open to anything by Tarte because Tarte is my favorite makeup brand, and I've heard good things about the Sex Kitten eyeliner, so I will definitely be trying that out. The next thing in the bag, and the last thing in the bag actually, is a brush, and I love brushes. I have a brush collection and I'm in love with brushes. I have the brand Scone, and it's like black and it's got like this rose gold / copper tip, and it just says large shadow brush, so it's probably a flat shader, so you can just kind of. I love brushes in general. I will never say that I have too many brushes, so that is what I like. Okay, so that is everything that is in my Ipsy bag for the month. I am in love with it. I think that I like everything this month other than maybe the eyeliner because I don't use that kind of eyeliner. But normally I dislike at least one thing in the bag, so I'm really glad that I liked pretty much everything. And I love the fact that this is a personalized bag. I think that's super cute. That's in my Ipsy bag, as I already said. If you guys did like this video, which I really, really hope that you did, please don't forget to give it a big, huge thumbs up. Comment down below what you got in your Ipsy bag if you order Ipsy bags. And if you don't, then let me know what your favorite product that I got in my Ipsy bag was. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!